Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to edit audio in CapCut. So let's get started. Here I have created a project in CapCut and I have imported my audio as well. I'm going to edit this audio. So the first thing we have to do is we can click on the audio section right here and we can click on the audio one more time until this feature appear on our screen. Then we can start editing the audio. We can increase the volume or we can also decrease the volume. We just need to click on the volume option and we can go right to increase the volume, and if we want to decrease the volume we just need to go left like this. Okay, and we can also put fade in and fade out effect right here. You just need to click on fade in and fade out effect and we can select the duration. If you want to increase the duration you just need to go right like this. This is for the fade in and this is for the fade out. Okay, and if you want to put voice effect to our audio, we just need to click on voice effect right here. And there are a lot of voice effects that we can use. You can choose basic voice effect, funny, synth, retro, and I'm going to select basic. So I'm just going to choose maybe deep. Okay, let's just take a look. Okay, and this is the deep voice effect, and I'm going to try high. Okay, and I'm just going to select a deep. Okay, and after that we can click on this check mark after we are done selecting the voice effect. And you can also speed up the audio, guys. You can click on speed up option right here, and if you want to speed up you just need to go right. You can drag the circle to the right, and if you want to reduce the speed you just need to go left. Okay, and you can also reduce the noise of the audio. And you can also add beats and you can explore it by yourself. Okay guys, and that's how we can edit audio in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.